In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to clone your grapevine through air layering. This method of propagation is useful for making sure that the daughter plants are identical genetically to the mother plant. First, you're going to find a cane that you're going to prune off anyway. I was going to just prune this off, and I figured, hey, why not do an air layer? So here are two nodes that are close enough together that it makes sense to create an air layer at that position. I'm going to do an experiment and remove some of this internodal bark, the outer bark layer, to reveal the cambium layer, and then I'm going to put some rooting hormone on it. For this, make sure you have a sharp knife. I like this one because it has disposable blades. You're going to make sure you have a bag of dirt or a water bottle, and then you're going to have wet dirt inside of that. And some rooting hormone might be useful if you're abrading the bark. If you're not abrading the bark, you don't need rooting hormone. And we're going to see where the roots come out of the cane. So this is what I made earlier this week, that other air layer where you see the foil down there. Okay, back to this. We're brushing off some of this excess powder. This is where I'm going to be putting my air layer. You're going to want some electrical tape and some parafilm. Parafilm is useful for making sure the moisture stays in and no excess moisture enters. And then, so I affixed my bag around my air layer, making sure that the two nodes are inside the bag, and then I stick the bag to the cane with some electrical tape to keep it from moving around. And notice I also have a string underneath this that's going to bear the weight of the air layer. And I've encased it in parafilm to make sure that the moisture can't get out or in. And then this foil is going to keep the sun from baking the new forming roots. Good luck.